What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are you guys doing today? We're doing another beautiful custom set for one of my favorite clients, Jaylee Skylar on Instagram. Jaylee, I hope you're watching this video. I love you so much. Thank you so much for all your support and just coming through with these cute ass sets. I'm sorry, I don't know the original designer, but if you do, feel free to tag them below, and we're just jumping right in. So okay, what are we doing? So Jaylee requested some XL coffin press-ons in the style that you saw at the beginning, and I'm just jumping straight in and doing just that. So I went in first with my Milky White gel polish. Y'all have seen me use this gel polish quite a few times before, and I must say it is a bomb Milky White gel polish. It's not streaky or chalky or clumpy or lumpy or anything like that. It's really good. So if you want the name to it, just let me know and I will pin it in the comments. So I went in with that. Now one hand was like, they both have marble designs, and that's what we're going to be working on today, but they also had like different colors on each of the hands, and so I kind of freeballed it a little bit as far as like the organization, but I definitely wanted to keep the theme the same, so that's just what I'm doing here. So the blue in the inspo photo was a little bit darker, and at first I was gonna go in with a darker blue, but I did decide to just use a little bit of a lighter blue because it's springtime and I thought she might like the lighter colors better for a nice little vibe. And I also just want to take this time to shout out her brand new boutique that she just opened on Instagram. I'll post some pictures here. I'll also link it in the description box below. But she got some good clothes up in there. All y'all out there trying to have y'all hot girl summer, make sure you check her out. And they're reasonably priced as well. I would definitely be purchasing soon. So shout out to Jaylee Skylar and her new boutique that she just opened. If you have some time, make sure you go and check that out because she got some cute stuff for the low. So I went and I did 2 coats of those colors, curing for 30 seconds in between. Now I'm going to show you how we create that marble nail there, and we're going to need to do this little swirly whirly work here, okay? And you can use any colors you want to do this. I just use pretty much like some nice bright colors, every color in the rainbow for the most part, and it was fairly easy. I went in, as you can see, I'm just kind of plopping some colors on the nail really messily at this point. I tried a few different methods to do this, y'all. Obviously the easy way would have just been to use my airbrush, but I didn't really want to waste too much acetone just on these few nails or too much gel polish, so I just opted not to use my airbrush and I tried this method instead, and it did come out pretty cute. One suggestion that I do have, though, if you're going to try this, is to allow the gel polish colors to sit and to mix with one another as long as possible. If you don't know, most gel polish colors are self-leveling. So if you're mixing them and you're finding that they're not mixing as easily, just allow them as much time to kind of sit and marinate together as possible before curing them, because that's what I did with this nail, and in my opinion this was the best nail. I didn't really have the time to sit and wait for all of them to spread out a whole lot, so they still came out really cute though. I'm going to show you how we blend these colors together a little bit more, make them a little bit more marbleized, but that is my #1 tip if you're going to try this method, is to leave the nails to rest for as long as possible before curing, okay? And this was my favorite nail. I think this is the pointer finger. It might even be the middle finger, but it was my favorite nail because the blend was so seamless between all these colors, and I allowed this one to sit for a real long time, and it just looked really cute. It looked really marbleized and just real cute. Okay, so I'm basically going to show you guys that technique one more time. I just went ahead and mixed my colors. I tried not to put colors that are in the same family too close together when I was doing these, because I didn't want it to look muddy. I just wanted to look like a nice assortment of nice bright colors. So that's just what you see me doing here, and I am putting a generous amount Then I'm going in with this fine detail brush, and I'm just very carefully just kind of swirling them together, getting these colors to mix all together and become one. Well, not one, but you know what I mean. Get them harmonizing, you know, mixing together, all that good stuff. So yeah, and as you can see, I'm getting this kind of like tie-dyed effect. Yeah, like a tie-dye marbleized kind of effect, and it's really, really cute. And I also just want to take this time to say that Jaylee be coming through with the cutest nail designs, okay? Like, that's super cute. So anyway, that's pretty much what it looks like after I'm done swirling it together. And I am going to go ahead and wipe down the sides just with my fingers to keep the shape of the nail, and I also don't want to have any wrinkling of any of these gel polish colors. So after that, this was key here. If you don't do this, it's just not going to look right. It's not going to look blended really like that, and it's not going to give you that like jawbreaker kind of like cute blended look that we're going for here. So I just went right over that with a milky white gel polish after curing that for 30 seconds, and then cured it for an additional 30 seconds to make sure that that layer was cured. And this is pretty much how everything is looking at this point. And I was really satisfied with the way that it was coming out. Yeah, I really love that. I think it's that pointer finger down there. So I did go in with just a little bit of glitz. This was not in the inspo photo, but you know, at this point I'm getting a sense of Jaylee's vibe, and I think she likes a little sparkle, so I decided to go ahead and add that in for her with my McCart holographic top coat. And I only put that on 2 fingers. I think I put it on like the thumb and one of the pointer fingers. And then I went in with a final coat of top coat and cured it for 60 seconds just to make sure that everything was nice and cured and settled in. And that's just what you see me doing here. And then after I did that, I just did my usual cleanup routine. I filed the free edges to reinforce that shape, and I also cleaned the under and over sides of the nails with an alcohol pad, and then I packaged them up, and that was about it. Let me know what you guys think of this design. Let me know if you'll try out this technique. Let me know if you like this technique, or if you have any other suggestions for how to create more marbleized nails. I'm gonna do a video soon on how to do different types of marble and things like that, so be on the lookout for that. But this is the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks so much for being part of the gang. Don't forget to follow me on IG so that you can see some more pictures of these nails. Link is in the description box. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, and give this video a like and leave me a little comment and let me know what you thought, sis. Thanks again for watching. Love you, Diva Gang. Peace. Mwah.